So I'm going to show you how to add some video effect to an image, and you can use that effect in cases where you are trying to emphasize a person, maybe in an intro, or just want to add some effect. I've chosen this picture by using the search handsome man black. So I'll go back, clear this, and type. It could be anything, but for me, I'm trying to do something shiny, something gold. So I can say shiny gold frame, and under shiny gold frame I'm looking for videos. I'll keep moving until I find something in that look and feel. Yeah, I'm saying this, but it's not yet what I want. So let me add square. I think I like to have it in a square. Yes, something like this is what I'm looking for. So I'll just go with this. I'll bring this in, and the first thing I'll do is to crop on both ends. Crop just to the end of the side. Yep, I'll do the same here. This time I'm going to hold my Alt. So if I play now, I'm only seeing the edges of the frame. Next thing I'll do is to get frames by going down here to frames. I'll look for a rectangle, a square. I'll bring this picture over the square, and I can try and fit this into the area of the video beneath it. Right, I don't have to get it perfectly matched. I can give equal distance around it, so that when the gold effect is moving, I can still see it. So if we play now, it's giving that effect of this person is centered in the frame that is that has a gold effect moving around it. Okay, so next is, I think I want to reduce this a little bit more. I'll hold Option so that it can reduce on both ends, on all four ends. Then I'll duplicate this, clicking on it and click on duplicate. Move it away. Then I would increase it a little bit and send to the back. Right click, layer, send to back. So I can move this around. I'm going to try and achieve a concentric square effect. A faster way to do that is to just select all of them, go to position, center, and middle. So that aligns everything into the center. Okay, now if we play it, we will see the effect moving at the same stage. I mean, at the same pace. That's not bad if that's what you're going for, but what I want is something different. So what I'll do is I'll click the one beneath and tap on flip and flip horizontally, so that when one is going, the other one is coming back. So let's play now. And that's how you had effect. You can further make edits, like double click into the square like I did now. And I typically like to balance my images, so I'll rotate him until it's looking like it's facing erect, standing erect. So that's how you add effects in Canva. You can play this in full screen.